God. Ay, ay. Ay, ay. Umnandi sasihamba sigoduka siye emakithi. Hayibo. 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 Guys, emsebenzini umnandi sesihamba siye emakithi Nkosi yami. Hayibo. No. Washintshe ngoba manje. Kanjani la? Tasifayilo masiqandiyeke nangu ubhuti. Hayi, awusisihambe thina Nkosi yami. Angeke. Oh guys, meet Mike. Oh Mike, lo. This is Mike. Yo. Ibhasi namhlanje ibhasi ngelingishiye guys because ibhasi ifika late. Ifika ngo 15 something. So ngizohamba nayo ifone yabo. Hello guys, Nkosi yami yaza nginake ukuthi nibaningi kanjani la. Khona phone ayi. Hello? 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 Ngiyaphila guys sesihamba kusemsema kithi. Siphuma 5 kodwa ngiyaphumayo manje mina ngeke phela ngikhathele bakwethu. Hayibo. Neyaba sisine. Angeke. Igawula ke iphinduke enhle kangaka. Nkosi yami igawule lapha empangeni, halfway empangeni. Kushintsha. Scooter baba. Yeah baba. Scooter baba. Yeah baba. It's a tripod. Oh, no tripod. Anna baba. Scooter baba. Oh. Yeah baba. You're in a good mood. Yes. Skarako, I see that. Where? How? It's Kucharara. It's German, just Kucharara, guys. Guys, see in a good mood because we are Saham. See, my yes has a apartment was portraits on. We seen that by see happy. What the extent is it? Yes, him roast. Hey, Bogunengi. Hi, Shotun Shine. I'm so happy to see you. When it's ask pictures of them. Usamila, go to Mama.
Welcome to JVC
Usamila, you mean
Volume mode.
I guess I lose her.
Bluetooth
You're
mode.
right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Very social price.
Paired.
Skara, it's great. Skara, so I sing away. seze soze sana angeke akuyona futhi speaker zethu lesi sicoshaje lesiya cannot wayiphoqa-ke awuthi ngihambe nkosi yami ngazele ngishinje ibhasi la ngo-5:15 DJ yaphoqa is that your mate umuntu engisebenza nayo why ungasebenza ama-dance challenge ngiyasebenza guys ngisebenza u-6 to about 7 to 5
Welcome to JVC Multimedia.
it's 7 to 5 so I don't have time to do TikTok videos. Please go to Madlega lapha emsebenzini naye is also live angisebenzi namadlega umadlega guys use-Potchefstroom noma kephi
Paired.
usethekwini kodwa akekho la no ngeke uphula umoya wami never bandla ngizawuthi ngihambe nje futhi nkosi yami eheni ayikho phento nje hawu kunzi there is no way. Which phone are you using? The iPhone 17. Bathatha ispeaker sakho lesi nama-scratch. Yeah, it's not cabanga. Ispeaker sathi lesiya singale. Angazi ukuthi ubani. Sibone sethu no, hayibo. Isawa MG empangeni speaker. Asibuye.
Welcome to JVC Multimedia.
Ngisaqoqa icathulo manje.
Mode. Bluetooth ready to pair.
Usebenza kuyiphi follow-up? My reaction is no umuntu osilisa like why? Like he's like, I'm looking for you. Let me know if you're looking for a car. Please send your 3 months bank statement, your ID, and your driver's license, the 3 months pay slip. That's I'm looking for you. Why are you looking for me? Sam, because I'm looking for Sam. How? And then he asked me and then he's like, if you just born and this friend for na see cool Mrs. Anna. Oh, you know, for no years ago, I'm Sam, can't you was another with the other person, not me? Like, what the heck? Like, mina nje shaming ngicasul nje indaba ngifuna ukwazi nami kangcono yebo then ngathi mina ngifoni I was like no angifoni sazana kangcono like how ngicela ungiphi ithuba ngizokuphelezela emabuyeni like in this economy sufuna ukuphelezela umuntu wesifazane ekhaya umnyisa kubo in this economy uma ucabanga ngizofika kusami emabuyeni he looks dodgy angeke there is no way. There is absolutely no way. Akwazi ukuthi ufuna ukwazana nami kangcono nkosi yami in this economy. Be for real. How am I also sengcolile? It was raining in the morning. Germs. Mina nginama-umbrella ayi-2 ungaphiki nami and angifaki muntu kwi-umbrella. Lena ezophela sonke lesihluthi leso uyagijima shame. Yo guys, it's been such a long day. Why it's awesome. Nasho ukuthi andifuni ukuthenga imoto 0 applications. Wow. Ngisho like namhlanje nje bad day. Bad. zero applications or lapho I was just doing content ukuze phela nithi nizoyithenga imoto phela after delivering leza imoto akusho ukuthi phela sengiqedile ukudeliver ngifuna ukudayisela nina bafethu imoto nenze njani manje nenze njani bakwethu how don't do me like that what I'm doing now what I'm don't do me like that guys thengani imoto like course nazi bandla if you take imoto manje you start paying for your installment next year. I look to manje, no, you're gonna start paying for installment in 13 days or 15 days, no. Usuholile wena xa ayithi phela khona bahola ngeyi-25 so abanye bathi eyi usuholile nje so nje kukanjalo hama ngaseni bafethu ngisafaka icathulo so ngakabuka ama-comment lana uthatheni. Do you have a seven-seater triber or a Etiga? Yes, I do have a seven-seater, a triber no me Etiga. A triber ilapho 4.5 and then Etiga ilapho 6.5. Because I ain't how three my triber nang my triber three my seven seaters. Koni triber, koni Etiga, and then there's also a Reunion. Reunion is around 8,000 rand. So ela uthengele imoto. Ufuna mini moto. That's not a problem. Yes, ngabo ngisizile. Alokhu ngigijimisana namabhasla and it's quite raining so installation yami vele bimoshekile kwasekuseni so guys and into emnandi ne cause this iphela namhlanje ngoDecember ukuthi you can refer someone and then uthole u-2,000 rand if umuntu esethathile imoto so that is good news ukuthi okay sharp wena uyifuna imoto khona umuntu omaziyo oyifunayo imoto khona umuntu omaziyo oyifunayo imoto mhlawumbe like uma wakho baba wakho like siblings like sisi wakho like umngani or something like umuntu omakhelwane noma inja kusami efuna nje lelo troli lelo yabo okay shaphu utayishoti umuntu efuna imoto bese unema details ama-documents wena usendela ama-documents yabo yonke 3 months bank statement 3 months pay slip ID ne-driver's license uyasenda ke lapha msuqedile ukusenda isiphasile-ke idili ngoba amadili abantu abarife abantu phatha kakhulu naye-ke imoto iyahamba I forgot the tissue because I know I have a running nose. I need to touch a tissue. Uma into amadile aphasi ake shi imali yangena same time ilawo imoto iphuma egarage you get yourself u-2K alangashi ngaze ngatshetsha ithishu yamlungu ngathi sinenganani but-ke lokho nje guys. So then if I need a try by credit earning 8.5 deduction, will I get it? Yes, you can get it in Bulazi. You can get it because vele uhola kahle. Yabo. Ungakwazi ukuthola imoto. Guys, akhona aba self-employed. Abathi imoto abakwazi ukuyithola. No, that's not true. Uyakwazi ukuthola imoto self-employed. Uyakwazi mina nje la tema-deliver ngathi-delivera 3 people that are self-employed. First time self-employed. Customer. Imoto iphuma egarage. Oh man. Yaseqilaza. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The bulls. The bulls is worse. Oh man, I thought rain trying to tonight. Ngolagin. Ngolagini. Ay bo. Yes. Futhi emvuleni sisiyangazi uthembeni intombazane bafethu hawu bukani ikhosi bandla hamba nekhosi emvuleni hawu emvuleni can I get you I'll just send you a DM on TikTok mase ngiqede live because I've already followed you and then ngichazele with the next step angisaveli-ke manje nami zimathima Guys, nge-umbrella yami. Anginethwa. Ha ha. Khona banethwayo. Mina nginethwa. Uh, Sahamba samuhle ngiyabonga guys. Yo, ngefoni njalo. Still in public. Angazi yazi ngithembeni. Mina guys, I feel like my phone angiwathandi yazi. Because I'm very, very irresponsible. Yeah, angikhelethe too much. Manje ifoni ngiphethe nje because I want to talk to you guys ukuthi ngithenge imoto. Ngoba ngikhuluma indaba ye-referral. If you can refer people, if we're not from team, that's the easiest way you can get money. When let's umuntu ofuna imoto on a proper J right. Yabo 610 J credit score or like minimum 7.5. But it's a J mod. Imali iyangena nje kwi-bank. I-bank. You also get notification as ngeke. It's okay. So the fair one 3. 6K per life. Ngithola ngothosebenza nje ngothi utshela umuntu ukuthi Peters kunomuntu engimaziyo osegaraji ushodi wethu hayi ngiyamthemba bana ngisho isiponisana and into eyenzeka kuyini guys mina kuphela bandla Nkosi yami yedla guys you can be a spotter anywhere you can be a spotter nje noma yikephi mhm nje imoto ngiyazi ukuthi ngizothi yofesilaze lana Nkosi yami imvula it is raining cats and dogs it is raining cats and dogs khona ukufonelayo mina nje it's so cool Hello? Hi, when am I speaking with? Are you looking for? You can make a call application. Oh, application. Okay. Yeah, so like we can get started. Sorry? Nginifuna abantu. Mina nje guys ngizama nje ukuthi hi guys. Ngibona inamba yakho lapha ngikhuluma noba hayibo wena ufuna ukukhuluma noba. Yeah? Ngifuna ukukhuluma noba. Okay na? Tumbula. Okay guys, I think ngizwe-enda la because ngiphethe kabi manje. I'm carrying like literally 2 phones. I don't even know what to do. Ngisithengani imoto. Uyise sikhulume guys. Ngiyanithanda ngothando luka-love. What? Guys. Mina funny. Mina funny. Nahlisa amadoda. My face. Yeah, so- Nige sobona. Sobonana ngelinye ilanga. Isale kahle.